Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's the Vampire Skarlett, back with more Chainsaw Man Season 1 Episode 4. In the last episode, Power tricked Denji into helping her retrieve a cat from a bat devil, but she was about to offer him his food, and as she demanded a cat back, the bat devil just ate it and then ate her. She let herself be devoured. Don't know why she didn't fight back. Perhaps she was shocked. Who knows? And then Denji had to deal with the bat devil, which he made short work of. That was pretty much where we're at. And before I get back into it, remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I post a video. And without any further ado, let's get straight into it. Forest, is that power? She was literally an animal before, living in a forest, drinking whatever blood she could find. A ravenous creature she is. But was she not eating humans? This poor cat was just... Why did you not fight back? Why do you not fight? Is the more important question. Were you weakened? Which is? Okay. Right, we're still alive. Because he wants to touch your boobs. This kid. Is he gonna do it? He's not even gonna hesitate. What? What is that? Another! A worm. That's not weird at all. That thing looks disgusting. Hey, Power. Could you please stop fighting? Scott seems to fight when that cat is near her. Is there a limit to how much he can use the power in one day? Oh. Oh. Power, do something. Did Power not say the other used to fear her? I don't get her, Power. Why is she not fighting? She's clearly very strong. Are you just gonna lie there and do nothing? Hey! How much strength have you got? Ouch. Well, that is a stupid dream. If you eat everything, you have nothing left to eat, idiot. They all keep telling him this. Hey, Power, do something! Oh. Still use this tiny chainsaw to do some damage. This kid is completely... He's an animal also. Oh. Whoa. Animation. How is he? The animation just went from 0 to 100. He is destroying her with that tiny chainsaw on his head. Ouch, ouch, ouch. So you gonna move? He's losing it. Look at him, he's losing his reason. He's turning into a demon. Ouch! Why aren't you moving? Oh. He can summon creatures. A leech. What are you, Megumi? Is that the rest of the team? He was completely losing it back there. Oh. Fox Devil, it's a kitsune. He just tricked you. Okay. He did. Oh, because he wants to touch her boobs. Oh, the people he saved. Oh, the guy he did not save. What's the condition? This guy is also quite stubborn. Really does not like devils. He fixes himself before.
Denji はチェーンソーとなってコウモリの悪魔を駆除後、今度はヒルの悪魔の襲撃を受けましたが、こちらは我々4課が駆除しました。報告は以上です。
Good, very good.
ご苦労様。でも、デンジ君とパワーちゃん、知らず知らずのうちにそんなに遠くまで行っちゃったんだね。巡回エリア内からの逸脱は違反行為だけど。
今回は死者も出ませんでしたし、結果として悪魔2体の駆除もできましたから。
Did he let them escape on purpose?
わかりました。
Makes me uncomfortable. Looks like Toji like this. He's just having a normal morning. Coffee. He's gonna read his paper. Why'd you tie your hair like this? Got OCD almost. Cleans everything. Very meticulous. Power. I knew it. She gets to live here as well?
早川くんちの部屋一つパワーちゃんに貸してほしいの。君ならデンジ君とパワーちゃんのいい首輪になれる。
That's a bit much.
なんで俺の家にヤバいやつばかり集めて
I was about to ask, why him?
早川くんを一番に信用しているからだよ。
Your life is gonna turn to hell. Oh, of course he's happy about it. They're all in love with this girl.
せるのも変だよ
How?
ね。心配しなくてもパワーちゃん
No, she won't. She's incapable of doing that.
大丈夫だよ。
She's hardly even human.
野菜は嫌いじゃ。
See?
人参ねえ野菜作った農家に失礼って思わねえのかよ悪魔
トイレ。クソは
Look,
たまにしかならん
see?
はじゃ。
流せ
風呂はたまにしか入らんはじゃ。
入れ
人間は繊細じゃのう。あーやーこ。
This girl is insufferable to live with. It's so funny. She has no human etiquette. I mean, she used to live in a forest, so it makes sense.
そう流せねえのか悪魔は
おいウル。
Oh.
あ
約束だったじゃろ。胸を揉ませてやるから。
Oh. Really? Do not blush.
胸を揉んでいい回数は3もみじゃ。ニャーコを助けたのが1もみ。コウモリを殺したので
And the third one.
そしてちょんまげからはしょ
So you really could not fight back then.
ありがたく揉むんじゃな。
This kid. No, she's a devil, you idiot. That was episode 4. Denji destroyed the Bat Devil, and there was a Leech Devil that attacked him after. She was the mate of the Bat Devil, and he managed to fight her. He was low on blood, so he could not summon a full chainsaw. He had just a tiny one on his forehead, and he still managed to do some damage with that until Ayakawa came and used his Kitsune to destroy the Leech Devil. For some reason, Power could not fight. I don't know why. She had not fight prior to this. She had not lost any blood, but for some reason she chose not to fight or could not. Perhaps she was incapacitated somehow. I don't know, still confused about that. Makima sent Power to live with Ayakawa and Denji, and she has no manners whatsoever. She's not used to live like a human. She's an animal, basically. And at the end, she offered Denji to fondle her chest. As per their agreement, their deal, she offered him 3 squeezes. Anyway, I'm gonna get out of that. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.